Hey, 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 here we are. Wedding Album Wednesday with the man of the hour. Pop, pop. This is, oh gosh, the recipient? No. Oh, that doesn't make sense at all. He's the guy that married us. Even after the last video, the officiant. I knew it was something Iant. Anyway, I again had a few minutes of time where I was just standing at my desk and I did think kind of my layering through a little bit here, and I kind of I wanted the mat to be that black shimmery paper back there, so I didn't have a big enough piece for it, so I make it work, basically, is what I'm trying to say here. And that white and black stripe piece, that is the one where I cut out my Love My Friend for the other video, one or two back, of my husband. And so that's just a, hey, you can, still use the paper, even though I cut the sentiment out. Anyway, so I did cut out some of the parts where I'm just taping, or putting tape down. So that saved on a little bit of time for the video. And I'm 100% sure you guys know how to tape or to put your layers down, basically. I, however, did not pay attention whatsoever to the glare while I was doing this, so apologies. And I did get that sticker sheet used up, though, with those silver border pieces. Whoop, whoop. Before I realized I wanted to put down the washi tape hearts, though, so of course I have to peel it back up. What's a good scrapbook page without having to take something back up? This one says "In My Heart," because it did mean a lot to me that he married us. He counseled us before we were married, did a little counseling, premarital counseling, and not sure if you watched my last video, but he is also my boss at work. So when I say we know each other, we do. There's no awkwardness with him for me, because he's my father-in-law, and there's no, like, geez, what do I say now? It's just, we have this ease about our relationship that means a lot to me. I did get that other heart put down. I remembered. Whoop, whoop. And I did use a few of the stickers on this black and gold sheet. Because I get to the end and I think, gosh, I don't know if I'm done. So I add a little, up to the right-hand corner, left-hand corner, you'll see I add just a itty-bitty little cluster up there. Well, I mean, it's kind of big, but it's just a few things to kind of incorporate that side of the page, I guess. And I guess the "Today Was Awesome" is kind of like my title, I guess. I didn't really, I don't know, I don't really know if these need titles, because it's my wedding day. It's awesome, okay? And I still feel that way, so, 8 years later almost, I feel like we're doing pretty good. Knock on wood. No, don't knock on wood. Okay, if you ever get a chance to look up what that means, do that. Google that. Don't knock on wood no more. It's got something to do with spirits and evil spirits or something. I don't have no time for that. Anyway. Tangent, as Adele would say. But I do use some of these word stickers. That one up there says "amazing," and then the one on the bottom I put that you can't see says something that I can't read because I don't know. I mean, I already put it up, sorry. But I did put that little pink sticker because, as I said in the last video, he despises the color pink. So I didn't try to go too bold with my pink, but I did have to put it on there a little bit. And I mean, this is pretty much the layout. I don't really add a whole lot more, just a few little sprinklies here and there. But I don't know if I didn't put any stars on because I didn't put any stars on the page that was previous, the pages next to this. So I'm trying to remember, you know, to do that, to kind of keep them cohesive while they're next to each other. Because if you look at any of my other scrapbooks, oh, it's a hodgepodge of, it's just whatever page I did. I don't put them in no type of order, no chronological order, no color order, nothing, my friend, nothing. But such is life. I did end up having to glue that tan looking heart down because it's kind of up on those borders pieces because they didn't quite meet, so I had to cover that up. Pardon me, I feel like my nose always runs when I start doing a voiceover. Oh, gracious. Anyway, I'm getting ready to put that piece down up to the left. Oh, nope, sorry. I used up the sticker sheet, actually. Whoop, whoop. That word says believe. And go ahead and use it on up. So that's 2 sticker sheets down in this video. Feeling pretty accomplished. I'm not gonna lie, my bucket with all my embellishments that I have set aside is definitely getting lighter. And I don't know about you guys, but that just makes me feel awesome. Feels like I'm being productive, which is not something I'm normally good at. I struggled putting this little sticker down because it kept wanting to go to the paper, and I wasn't ready. But I finally get it down there. I add a heart, a chipboard heart, and some rhinestones to kind of make it blend, because right now it just, or a few seconds ago, it just looked like it was a word up there. But that's another Wedding Album Wednesday done. Check. And I am so enjoying getting this done. Just, again, feeling so productive with all of my beautiful stuff. I hope you guys are having a great week. I hope that you are also getting some crafty time in and enjoying your stuff. I did contemplate putting an arrow down, but that thing was bright pink. So I thought better to not do it. And that is all. I hope you guys, again, have a great day. I do kind of get you close here, like too close, because I'm trying to move something on the table. Alright guys, you have a great day, and see you next time.